Hi, we are going to see three things in this video: how to create an account, how to make payments, and how to activate the paid account of trycrypts.com. Your upline will provide you a referral link. Once you click the link, you will see this page. In this page, you need to enter your first name, mobile number, and email address and password. Once you tick upset and create account, your account will be created. And once your account is created, now we have to make payments. Okay, for making payments we should have Ethereum or Tron, whatever the cryptocurrency we need to pay. Okay, first of all we need to get ready with our cryptocurrency in our Trust Wallet, and click on a menu button in the left corner and click on activation. And the person whoever comes into Trycrypts, they should pay $20 and they must enter in first board only, $20 board. So whoever comes should click on $20 and you see member activation, and under that activate mode choose payment gateway, not pin is only available with Tron. If you go for Ethereum or Bitcoin, you must click on payment gateway. Payment gateway allows Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, so click on payment gateway and choose the currency. Here we are choosing Ethereum. So another important thing is you should never click the click to pay twice or thrice. You should click only once. Once you sit for activation, you must finish it at a time. You should not let it a long time. You should not skip, and you should not click the click to pay button twice or thrice, because that transaction will go for 2-3 times and it will be in pending status, and it will take 24 hours to time out and cancel the transaction. That's why I'm telling you should never click this click to pay more than once. That's very important. Once we click on click to pay, we will get this pop-up. In this pop-up, it shows how much Ethereum or how much Bitcoin, how much Tron, what are the cryptocurrency we selected, how much we need to pay. See here, you need to pay here 0.057. It will vary according to the cryptocurrency rate, and which address we have to send. We have also given the address. Sometimes this address will be hidden in this pop-up, so we should click on checkout URL. If you click the checkout URL, this page will go to separate page. It will take you to the new page. In this page you can see which address we have to send. You can take that address and you can get the amount value, which amount we have to send. So just copy the address and go to your Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, click Ethereum and click on send and paste that recipient address and enter the amount whichever we have to pay. Another important thing here is we need to enter the amount which is shown here. It should be 5 digits after decimal. Here you should enter 0.05700. Sometimes it will be 0.05712. So we should enter all those digits exactly what here is given. Okay, that's must. If you left any one, if you for example here there is 0.05712, you entered only 0.0571, so the remaining 0.002 will be in pending. So you must enter every digit entered in that page. Okay, so we are going to enter here. It's 0.057, another 2 digit. No value for 0, but we are entering for sake. So we are entering the exact number which is given in amount and send continue and click on send. A transaction is in pending, so it will take minimum 5 to 15 seconds. You should wait here for some seconds. The pending transaction will be cleared. Yes, the pending transaction has been cleared and it's sent. So immediately after sent the transaction, you go to payment page. In payment page, it will take some 15 to 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes it will take to update it in Coin Payments website. Okay, there we have sent from Trust Wallet. It will take some 15 to 20 minutes to reflect in Coin Payments gateway. So we have to wait till then. Until then, we should not close this page. It should remain open. We have to wait till the page shows paid. Yes, our payment has been reflected in Coin Payments. It shows paid. Immediately you will get an email too. Whatever the mail ID you registered, you have to check that mail ID. You will get an email, the same confirmation from Coin Payments. The mail will be like this. You will get a mail from coinpayments.net. The transaction details, everything will be sent to you. Yeah, we have did two things. We have crossed two things. Now we have to go for a final step, which is active payments. We have to go for payment activation, and it will show the activation link, which is done lastly. Ethereum transaction details, everything will be there. You click on check status and you can see it, the status will be complete. Once the status looks like this, complete, then you can give OK and the pop-up will rise to active. Give a click on activate, just it. Once you click on the activate button, your account is activated successfully. That's it. Fine, we have finished the activation process. It's so simple. We have to remind that the second step should be did carefully. You should not click that link twice. That's a very important thing. Other than it's very simple, we can finish in 15 minutes. I think I'm clear here. If you have any doubts, you can contact your upline or you can contact me directly. Thanks for watching.